Hi everyone, my name is Tony Holowitz and I want to show you how to add shared email templates from Microsoft Outlook to Microsoft Outlook itself. So here's Outlook, and what you need to do to add this is simply go up and click on Get Add-ins. When this pops up, in this box you're going to type in shared email and you'll see it will pop up in the search box. I'm going to click on that. At this point, now keep in mind I have this already added to mine, but you will be able to add it right in this area. You can also remove it here. And what my experience has been is that sometimes you'll be prompted for a username and password for your Microsoft account because it's going to ultimately get installed through your Microsoft account. If you find this is difficult to do, if you find there are difficulties with accomplishing this, they also offer a way to install it with a download. So it's a little bit different way, but I just want to point this out to you real quick because my experience has been this can be a little tricky to get installed if you're not aware of your Microsoft login credentials. Don't let that discourage you. There's another way to do it. My name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye now.